Here we have a 2025 Mazda CX-5 GS all-wheel drive. Comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, automatic transmission in a blue color. Let's take a look inside. Coming inside, have a nice armrest, power locks, windows and mirrors, black leather upholstery all throughout, power driver support. Hopping inside, got an air vent on the left, power trunk, lane keep assist, got audio, radio, Bluetooth controls, automatic headlights, adaptive cruise control functions, your auto rain wipers for the front and manual wipers for the rear. Coming to the infotainment, got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as you can see on the right hand side. Information, got your fuel efficiency and vehicle status monitors. Entertainment, source list here. Got FM, AM, Pandora, Bluetooth, and a couple of USB inputs. Sorry, I'm just trying to get this connected or focused here, but it's not really wanting. Maybe it will eventually. Communication, your contacts, text messages, Mazda roadside dial pad, and other communication settings. This is really struggling to focus, so deal with the shakiness of the camera. Navigation here. If you want to get navigation as an accessory, you got to talk to a sales rep and they'll be able to get you sorted from here at Park Mazda. Indoor settings have our in-vehicle displays, so your display mode, brightness, contrast, all that kind of fun stuff in there. Our sound settings. Sound adjustment mode, equalizer, listening position, fader, balance, and your automatic level control. Safety settings, got our safety alerts, like your distance recognition support, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring. Active safety, have our lane keep assist system, and collision avoidance, we got our smart city brake support. Moving on down, you got two air vents, hazard lights. Your start stop information button on the left hand side, your heated seats for the driver and the passenger, dual zone automatic climate control. My drive mode, the sport, normal and off-road modes, auto holds, electronic park brake, volume rocker, mouse control, everything on your infotainment. You got two cup holders, center console with USB-C inputs, SD card insert, 12 volt, interior lighting options. Oh, there you go, now it focuses at the end. Anyways, interior lighting options, sunglass holder, and an auto-dimming rearview mirror. Let's take a look outside. Here at the front, have our LED headlights, black and chrome finish grille, Mazda badge in the middle, silver alloy rims, paint matching door handles and mirrors with the rear tinted windows, LED taillights, your CX-5 all-wheel drive badge on the left, dual exhaust, Skyactiv G badge on the right. Let's open up the trunk. Power trunk opens up nice and easy there for us. 40-20-40 split for those rear seats. Open this up, spare tire and lift kit. Let's head back outside. Back seats here have a nice armrest, power windows, tons of legroom and headroom, that same leather upholstery as we have in the front. Two air vents, hold this down, cup holders, armrest, and USB-C inputs, or just regular USB inputs, sorry. Let's head back outside. That'll wrap it up for this 2025 Mazda CX-5 GS all-wheel drive in a deep blue color. If you have any questions or want to book a test drive, please visit us at parkmazda.ca.